Hello everyone, I'm Sugat Pawar from the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering of AISSMS Institute of Information Technology Pune. In this video, I'm going to implement Mod 5 up counter using IC74LS90 on digital trainer key. This is the logical diagram for Mod 10 counter using IC74LS90. This IC is also called as BCD counter IC as it shows 0 to 9 states only. So total number of states are 10, that's why it is called as Mod 10 counter. It has 4 outputs QA, QB, QC, QD. There are 2 set pin as well as 2 reset pins. So we are going to connect it to ground to show the total 10 states. This CKA is nothing but the external clock, that is pin number 14, and this output of first flip-flop will act as clock input of next flip-flop, as this IC is a asynchronous counter IC. Now we'll do the connections as per this diagram. This is IC74LS90. This is QA, this is QB, QC and QD. So QD is at pin 11, it is a 14 pin IC. So after 7, here it is 11. QC is at 8, QB at 9 and QA at 12. This is the output connections. Next, connect pin number 5 to VCC as it is a VCC pin. Pin number 10 is ground. So 10 is ground. Then pin number 2 and 3 both are reset pin. I'll connect it to ground. And pin number 6 and 7, these two are set pin. We are not using set pin as we are giving external clock, so connect it to ground. Pin number 14 is clock input. This is pin number 14. This is a clock. And this pin number 1 is nothing but CKB, that is second clock. We have to connect QA to CKB. QA at 12. And this is QA. Now here pin number 13 and pin number 4 both are no connection pin. Now I'll turn on the circuit. Now you can see the output. After 9, counter reset. It will show total 10 states, that is from 0 to 9. After 9, it will reset and it will show next state as a 0. So this is the basic function of 74LS90 IC. Now we will see the design for Mod 5 counter using IC74LS90. See, just we have to connect, for Mod 5 counter you have to connect QA and QC to the input input of AND gate, and output of this AND gate is connected to reset pin. So first of all, pin number 2 and 3 we have connected it to ground. So instead of connecting to ground, you just connect it to the output of AND gate IC. As we know that for AND gate, Pin number 1 is input, pin number 2 is also input, and pin number 3 is output. So pin number 1 is nothing but QC. QC is at 8. And pin number 2 is nothing but QA. QA is at 12. So pin number 3 of AND gate IC is nothing but the output. This output is connected to reset pin, that is pin number 2 and 3 of 7490. Now give the VCC and ground connection for the 7408 IC, that is AND gate IC. Pin number 7 is ground here and pin number 14 is VCC. Now I'll turn on the circuit. Now it will show 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. After that counter will get reset. So it will show only 5 states, that is from 0 to 4.